You can design the perfect rack on paper and still waste a weekend on the wrong pipe size, the wrong LED spacing, or a drainage layout that does not match your tray count. DIY Builds is Plant Mood's hands-on build phase at plantmood.farm, free, no login. It gives you step-by-step guides for microgreen racks, hydroponic towers, and horizontal NFT channels, matched to how you grow. Pair it with the farm designer so you know tray count, pipe length, and electrical load before you cut anything. At the top, setup tabs let you switch between microgreen rack, hydroponic tower, and horizontal NFT channel. Each tab reloads the entire guide for that structure. Steps, materials, and cost estimates are all specific to the setup you picked. Below that, a region bar lets you choose Thailand via Lazada or global via Amazon. Affiliate search links throughout the page will open the right marketplace with pre-filled search terms. A summary strip gives you the headline numbers, difficulty badge, estimated build time, and a cost range. Click Full Materials List to jump straight to the shopping table. The step-by-step build guide is the core. A microgreen rack runs 8 steps: frame the rack, mount LEDs, wire the timer, set trays, lay medium, sow, and manage airflow. A tower guide runs 10 steps from pipe cutting through aeration and nutrient monitoring. NFT runs 12 steps covering channel layout, return plumbing, pump sizing, and flow testing. The materials table has 4 columns: item name, quantity, approximate cost, and a search button per row that opens Lazada or Amazon with the right category. At the bottom, Universal Gear lists cross-compatible products: meters, timers, scissors, pH pens, things every farm needs regardless of structure. Toggle casual farmer or professional farmer to filter recommendations by scale. Design first, build second. That sequence saves money and weekends. DIY Builds is free on Plant Mood. Open it alongside the farm designer. Both links are in the description.